In the year 2020 and 2021, there have been certain cases of contempt which have become very popular. One of them is the contempt case pertaining to Prashant Bhushan. In this video, we are going to discuss about the same. Hi guys, I am Ayushi and welcome to Law Digest. So let's start with discussing this particular case of contempt. Here, what happened was that firstly, we are going to look at another case of contempt that pertained to Prashant Bhushan in the year 2009. There was another case that happened against him, which was filed by senior advocate Harish Salve, and it was regarding his interview in the Tehelka magazine. He had given an interview in the Tehelka magazine wherein he had leveled certain allegations against the judiciary. Now, what has happened in 2020? There is another case of contempt against him that has been filed by senior advocate Mahek Maheshwari. This is regarding the two tweets that were made by Prashant Bhushan on Twitter, and it was alleged that such tweets will lead to losing confidence of the people in the independence of judiciary. Now, what were these tweets? ये tweets क्या थी जो प्रशांत भूषण ने अपने ट्विटर अकाउंट पे करी? Now, the first tweet related to the role of Supreme Court in destruction of democracy. ये बातें करी गई कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डेमोक्रेसी को वाटर डाउन कर दिया है एंड किस तरह से सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डेमोक्रेसी को डिस्ट्रक्ट कर दिया है. एंड ऑल्सो ही मेंशन्ड अबाउट द रोल ऑफ द लास्ट फोर Chief Justice of India in this case, that how they have participated in destructing the democracy. Then the second tweet related to the comment on the CJI's picture. जो हमारे ex CJI थे शरद अरविंद बोबड़े जो recently retire हुए हैं and उनकी जगह पर जस्टिस NV रामना को अपॉइंट किया गया है. अब यहाँ पर क्या हुआ था कि सीजेआई की एक पिक्चर आई थी जिसमें ही वाज सिटिंग ऑन अ हार्ली डेविडसन सुपर बाइक विदाउट अ हेलमेट एंड मास्क. नाउ विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस, a tweet was made by Prashant Bhushan that this is how the Supreme Court is denying us fundamental rights to access justice. That was the tweet that was made by him. Then what did the court observe? कोर्ट ने इन चीज़ों को ध्यान में लेते हुए on the basis of the petition that was filed by Mahek Maheshwari, कोर्ट ने ये बोला कि ये जो allegations की गई हैं against Justice, Chief Justice of India, these are false and malicious and scandalous. CJI की जो ये picture थी, it was taken on a vacation and Supreme Court had been hearing cases throughout, so ऐसा नहीं है that he was roaming around. And it was said that tweets जो हैं ये ऐसी tweets they shake the confidence of public in the institution of justice. The court further said that ये जो attacks हैं judges और courts पे ये authority और dignity को undermine करते हैं of the Supreme Court, of the Chief Justice and the majesty of law को. कोर्ट ने ये बोला कि आप ऑनेस्ट और फेयर क्रिटिसिज्म कर सकते हो ऑफ द कोर्ट एंड जजेस, बट देन यू शुड नॉट अंडरमाइन द अथॉरिटी एंड द डिग्निटी ऑफ द जजेस एंड द लॉ इन इटसेल्फ. So herein the court held Prashant Bhushan to be guilty of contempt of court and he was fined with ₹1. Now अब इस केस में लॉज क्या इन्वॉल्व है? अगर हम कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट की बात करें तो कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट के लिए डिफरेंट प्रोविजंस हैं. एक तो कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट एक्ट जो है 1971 का, देयर आल्सो प्रोविजंस रिलेटिंग टू कंटेम्प्ट आर डेल्ट विद, and further Article 129 of the Constitution, which speaks that Supreme Court is a court of record and it has the power to punish for its contempt. And further Article 142 जो बात करता है सुप्रीम कोर्ट की inherent powers की, कि कुछ cases में सुप्रीम कोर्ट can take any decision, can give any decision in order to advance justice. तो अब ये जो विजय करले का केस है इस पे रिलाई करके ये बोला गया है इस केस में कि जहां पर कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट की बात आएगी and that contempt of court is regarding Supreme Court, then such matters will be dealt under Article 129 and 142 rather than under the Contempt of Courts Act, जो थोड़े subordinate level के courts को apply होगा. सुप्रीम कोर्ट को आर्टिकल 129 एंड 142 अप्लाई होगा. जस्ट इन केस यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स, देन दीज आर द इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल्स दैट यू शुड रिमेंबर अबाउट. यू शुड नो हार्टली व्हाट दीज आर्टिकल्स आर ऑल अबाउट. सो फाइनली इस केस में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने प्रशांत भूषण को बोला कि आप apology मांगिए, आप कोर्ट से apology मांगिए, but then प्रशांत भूषण denied the same and he said that जो उन्होंने बोला उसको एक constructive criticism की तरह लेना चाहिए कोर्ट को, and further he went on to file a review petition against this particular case. With this we come to the end of this video. I hope you were able to understand the whole contempt issue that happened. Just in case you have any further doubts or queries, you can mention the same in the comment box below. And if you want me to post certain specific videos, firstly, what you can do is you can subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, and get in touch with me through various social media platforms that I'm available on.